A man may see how this world goes with no eyes. Look with thy ears. See how yon justice rails upon yon simple thief. Hearken thine ear, change places, and handy-dandy, which is the justice, which is the thief? Thou hast seen a farmer's dog bark at a beggar, and the creature run from the cur. There thou mightest behold the great image of authority, a dog's obeyed in office. Thou rascal beadle, hold thy bloody hand. Why dost thou lash that whore? Strip thine own back, thou hotly lusted to use her in that kind for which thou whipp'st her. The usurer hangs the cozener. Through tattered clothes great vices do appear, robes and furred gowns hide all. Plate sin with gold, and the strong lance of justice hurtless breaks. Armoured with rags, and a pygmy's straw will pierce it. None doth offend, none, I say none. I'll able them. Take this of me, my friend, that had the power to seal the accuser's lips. Get thee glass eyes, and like a scurvy politician, seem to see things thou dost not. If thou wilt weep my fortune, take mine eyes. I know thee well enough. Thy name is Gloucester. Thou must be patient. We came crying hither. Thou knowest the first time that we smell the air, we wail and cry. I will preach to thee, mark me. When we are born, we cry that we are come onto this great stage of fools. This a good block. It were a delicate stratagem to shoe a troop of horse with felt. I'll put it in proof, and when I have stolen on these sons-in-laws, then kill, 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 kill.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed what you saw, and that it may in some way help with your understanding of the character Shakespeare created so many years ago. If it did, you can see other great speeches here at Shakespeare in Action. And once again, please hit like and subscribe, and get in touch if I can be of help in any way. Goodbye.